Hi, so this is my trade recap from 11th of July 2025. So today I took two trades on Nasdaq. I will go over what was first of all my bias. So today I was bearish because we had like this draw on liquidity that was for me important, and also this one. However, we still have like two equal highs over there, so I still believe we're gonna go up to take this. And if I go and mark out my levels for today, shout out to Worm who teach me how to draw these levels with the Fibonacci level. Here we are, like this. You can see that the level here, which are my level of interest, they were aligned with this draw on liquidity, and we were pretty bearish because of how you can see the market just doing big leg to the downside, then go back up, big leg to the downside, go back up. So I was like, okay, we're gonna go again down to form a leg like this. So today I was bearish. However, though the markets open here, so we took this draw on liquidity. As you can see, we took this, and did we went on midnight open? I don't think so. No, we didn't. Okay. So that's New York Stock Exchange open at midnight. Okay. So the market open, it rallies up, took the liquidity with this candle, and then it goes to the downside. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go short because, okay, we took this drawn liquidity, but there is still this drawn liquidity and this one. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna go short. However, the price rallies back up. We inversed this 1 minute fair value gap here. We create another one. So I was like, okay, let's not force a trade. Let's be patient. At 10 p.m. the market rallies to the New York Stock Exchange midnight open. So at this point I'm like, okay, I think we can have some setup to go to the downside. And we had an SMT with the S&P, I believe it was, let me check, I believe this one was the right one. Yeah, that was the right one. So we had formed an SMT and I was like, okay, we're gonna go to the downside. But as you can see, we rally, nothing to go to the downside. However, here we have a shift in market structure, okay? So I thought this break of structure on the 1 minute. I'm gonna mark out 1 minute break of structure. And so I enter here with like half of my usual risk because I was like, okay, we are pretty bullish. There is still liquidity on the upside, so I was very risk off for this trade. So I took, I believe, some partial here, if I remember. My final take profit was all the way to down here. And I had one like here, I believe, for like a crazy 7.17 risk to reward, but I only hit my first take profit, which was here, so this one. I hit it, yes, like this. So with this trade I made like, I think 240 bucks. Okay, and I got stopped out at break even here. So that was my first trade. And my second trade, let me check, it was, if I remember, oh yeah, it was this one. A little trade However, I put like way more risk, so I made the exact same amount of money of the first one, but with a low displacement to the downside. So we had this liquidity, previous cycle liquidity. We took it. We still have this massive SMT with the S&P. This one. So there was this massive SMT, and I enter, if I'm right, I enter shorts here, yeah, on the close of this candle. My stop was like here, I think here, yeah. And I had my first TP here. Why here? Because we had this, so I was like, okay, we have this structure, so price is gonna come back here. That was the idea of the take profit. And I had like two runners, two lots running to target this liquidity here, but we never reached to this point. So I made, if I'm right, yeah, today I made $477, so that's a great day. So two trades today. I kind of messed up my lots. Like I think here I opened like with 20 lots, so that's like twice the lots I usually use. So I had to close the position, reopen, etc. So that's why I took 7 trades today, as you can see. But still a good day. I'm kinda proud of me today. I don't know if I should have shift my bias and go long, but for me, as we take this drawn liquidity, there was no liquidity to the upside to go. Like for me, we had to go target this before going here. That's why I was so bearish. But still a good day, still a winning day. So I'm happy with what I made. I'm just looking. Oh yeah, I enter. So my second trade, I enter based off two things. First, because we hit this drawn liquidity, and I saw some kind of reaction. So it's like, okay, we're gonna go down. We took this, we break structure here, so that's kind of equal, but for me that's a break. That's a change in market structure. So here, I'm gonna mark out 1 minute bit of structure. And so with this candle, I was like, okay, I'm gonna take the equilibrium and enter based off equilibrium here. Okay, so based off this high down to this low, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go enter here. So I entered with the close of the candle, stop here, and profit here. So that was a little trade, but you know, still good, in my opinion. And with this candle, we inversed this 1 minute gap. So I could have entered more lots here, but I didn't. So good trade for me, good day for me. I'm happy with what I made. See you to the next weeks and enjoy your weekend.